In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a custom domain on Blogger. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add a custom domain name on Blogger, you have to log into your Blogger website and click on Settings. Now you have to scroll down and find Custom Domain and click on it. Now you have to add your domain name. Once you add a domain name, then you have to add www.prefix. Then click on Save button. Now you have to add tool CNAME on your domain DNS manager. To add this tool CNAME, you have to log into domain control panel and click on Advanced DNS. Now you have to delete all the old previous CNAME and click on Add New Record and choose CNAME record. Now you add a host name www and target is destination. Let's copy it and paste it here and click on Save Changes. Now you have to add another record. To add the record, you have to click on Add New Record and click on CNAME record. Now copy the host name and paste it here. Then copy the destination and paste it here and click on the checkmark button. Now you have to wait for a few minutes to configure the CNAME. Then click on Save button. Then the custom domain will be added on Blogger, and this process takes up to few minutes. Now when I click on View Blog button, then it will redirect to your domain name. By following this tutorial, you can easily add a custom domain on Blogger.